We all love lights in our world and life. But almost everywhere you go, there are artificial or human-made lights that are present, of course in the case of night. This could be an argument as there's no way to see anything without light in the dark night. The moon can be a help, but that's also absent in some cases, like on the day of the new moon. Is there still a natural form of light that we can see even today? If you ever had a chance to visit the poles of the Earth, then you might have noticed something interesting up in the sky. The sky under the Arctic region is very beautiful to observe. Many of you might have not visited places like Antarctica or Greenland, as life there is very harsh, but the nature of those regions is marvelous. Frequently, there are beautiful light shows in the Arctic sky. And these are the lights which we call as auroras. Now, auroras or aurorae have got different names as well. If you are on the North Pole, then those lights are called aurora borealis or the Northern Lights, and if you are on the South Pole, then they are called aurora australis or the Southern Lights. What causes auroras? Even though it occurs in the night, it's all caused by the sun. How? Let's see. The sun not only sends us heat and light, but it also gives us energy, solar winds, small particles, UV rays, etc. Our Earth's protective shield is the magnetic field, which protects us from most of the energy and particles, which is the reason why we don't notice them. Now, that's okay, but sometimes the sun emits too much energy, and solar winds, which turn into solar storms. But what are solar winds? Are they the motion of air that we feel on Earth? Well, it's a complete different story. Solar winds are basically charged particles given by the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona. When these particles travel at high speeds, then they create what's called a solar storm. When a solar storm heads towards us, some of the energy and particles can travel down our Earth's magnetic field, both on north and south poles. These solar winds disturb radio signals and communications. As these solar winds travel down, there, on the north and south poles, these solar winds interact with various gases to give out those beautiful lights that we call as aurora. Oxygen gives off red and green lights, and nitrogen glows purple and blue in the sky. It's such a beautiful view to look at. Do other planets have auroras? Okay, so now you may be wondering that do other planets also have aurora? Just like Earth, yes, they do. If a planet has an atmosphere and a magnetic field, then chances of happening an aurora are very high. For example, many telescopes and satellites have captured images of auroras on Jupiter and Saturn. Auroras are really amazing.